Luna founder's wife under emergency protection after crypto market death spiral plunges coin to zero. Whoa. What a headline. What is this, fortune.com? Geez, you just like combined the wife under protection with a crypto death spiral. But of course, I think of death, human death, because you've combined this series of words.
Well, there was almost death, apparently. Someone visited Terra's founder at his home. And
Someone who lost their life savings or something?
apparently.
Yikes.
And the wife opened the door, and then the guy said, oh, is so-and-so home? And then he ran away. But there's security image or security cameras capturing him running away.
Is this why Mo keeps calling it a bloodbath?
It possibly is, yeah.
Stop
this is the crypto market.
Stop inspiring
I
this.
know nothing about
Stop
this.
inspiring this type of thing.
I'm not calling this a bloodbath.
Yeah. This was, I think, a couple days ago.
Was it? So when the whole thing first took off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Man,
Scary.
it's people's whole lives are wrapped up. People's whole future wrapped up. People are emotional. We talked about it. We talked about it. Mo, tell them. Tell them what they got to do.
Yeah, it is emotional watching your investments and whatever you believe in just tank and your money disappear.
So what should people do?
Well, I don't know what decisions you made when you bought this, but try to remember why you bought it in the first place and try to stay calm and stick with your original plan. Wait it out. I don't know. Works for me.
You're telling people to stay in Terra?
I'm not telling them what to do. I'm saying that this is whatever decision I make, I try to remember why I made that decision and stick to it. Will's laughing.
You gotta put him on the spot.
Mo,
Yeah.
I think what we need here is a more general piece of advice.
Which is what I just said.
No, a more general piece of advice. Because some people are already invested in things that are far more volatile than where you like to play.
Yeah.
Where you kick the soccer ball around. You like to play in a robust place.
Right.
For the most part. Responsible guy.
Right.
When I think of general advice in this space, I think never invest more in anything than you're willing to lose. Anything. Because you show up at a guy's house, chances are you invested more than you were willing to lose.
Oh, yeah.
Chances are you lost more money than you could lose without it having it massively disrupt your life. Chances are. I don't know for sure.
Yeah, they were trying to figure out who this person was. And if it was a person that they suspect, that guy lost like over $1 million. This one guy.
A guy lost over $1 million.
Yeah. They suspect it's the guy who went to this person's house.
That was more than he was capable of losing.
Apparently,
I would
yeah.
assume.
Yeah.
I would assume.
Well, they're just trying to identify him right now. That's the whole investigation.
Yeah.
What are they going to do when they identify him? Because he hasn't done anything wrong yet,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Did he? He just knocked on a door.
Oh, well.
Yeah, I mean, there was no criminal.
Like, definitely,
Doing,
it's
right?
a good idea to find out who the dude is so that you can be aware of that. But I don't know, what do you call the police and say what? This guy knocked on my door and then left?
Yeah.
Am I missing a part of the story?
Well, the idea was maybe the guy was hoping that the founder would open the door. And
Right.
then something would have happened. But instead, it was the wife who opened the door. But yeah, I guess he can't be charged with any criminal intent, right?
For all we know, he just wanted
Maybe.
to talk to him. I mean, I doubt that that's what was going to happen, but
Yeah. It's very dark.
it is.
Well, yeah. Listen, guys. I'm telling you right now, once you get your emotions involved, and this is actually life, never mind crypto, never mind stocks. It's life. Is once the emotions are going, the judgment is all over the place.
Right.
And all of a sudden, things are getting chaotic. So it's important to not put yourself in positions wherever possible that the emotional control is out the window. You're trying to put yourself in the best scenarios possible where you're able to make some degree of confident predictions, and then those predictions or risks that you take, you limit them in some way so that they can't completely destroy you. Mm-hmm. So, but that's life as well, because you can also get involved with people in your life that are risky individuals, chaotic in their approach. And then you can't be surprised when you get wrapped up in it yourself.
Yeah.
On one side, you could be in an optimistic, supportive environment, and all of a sudden that starts enhancing your situation and your outlook. Or you could be on the flip side in chaos land and absorbing that and having that influence your emotions and things. So be responsible with not just your investments from a financial perspective, but your time investments, your relationship investments, and so forth. Because maybe there could have been somebody in this guy's life that could have been like, okay, I understand you lost $1 million, but we're not going to anybody's houses right about now. Mm-hmm. We're not doing that.
Yeah.
Not a good